Deputy Inspector General of Police DAP Meghalaya kakong Claudia A Langwa habakren berkinong tok khobor ni kesngi kalaong bak sorkar kelashimi kilat kelenti na do basdang bat ong ba kajingkhang kadang plie habede berkijing kren yusuk bat kaseng HNLC habede pat berkijing syakem jong wei udkhot jong ka HNLC uba Storgy langdo kakong Langwa kalaong ba uba Storgy ulawan rung sya Meghalaya na Bangladesh. Kalau ongru ba udai ru badan benda hakabai dai berkejing keran yesuk. Nak phone jungu lalap bagi don kita ki jingtho ke bai dai bat kakam dawa pisah. Habai dai berkejingong ba Storgy wan rung biang Meghalaya ban sarandarno lani ban pyndemwait nak leng kakong Langwa kala krenchai ba uni ubriu lalek sa Bangladesh bat nak ta jinglai jungu sa Bangladesh gilas ngothul pa. Lada kwah ban pyndemwait no uladai bandon ha Shillong hanrei ke jinglet phai biang jong u sa Bangladesh but one phai biang sa Meghalaya kadon ka ai le ka ai habai dei ke jing ong habai dei ke jing don jing khot ka HNLC na ka liang ka kong Langwa ka ong ba katkum ke jing tip ka ba ki yo ki khot jong ka HNLC ki don satang kumba arpau hadu lai phongwat.
The initiative is always there from the very beginning, and to date, our doors are also still open for peace talks with the HNLC. So, if you all are curious, recently there was arrest of the HNLC cadre, Storgy who had sneaked from Bangladesh. And if you recall, he was also part of the peace talk when the members had come over to talk with the government. And unfortunately, it was learned from credible information that he had sneaked back from Bangladesh, and he was finally arrested by the East Coast Hills police. And from his mobile phone, only we learned that there has been a lot of extortion and demands made on a lot of people. So in this particular case, there is nothing from our side that this peace talk will not continue. It will still continue, and our doors are always open.
There was this claim made by a few reports that Storgy had sneaked into Meghalaya to surrender. Is it a fact?
The person had gone to Bangladesh, and that's also clearly understood. If he had wanted to surrender, he was always here in Shillong all the way. The police, the government was talking. So from our point of view, the going back to Bangladesh and coming back from Bangladesh here, what does that imply? And I leave it to your own understanding.
Can you tell us about the firepower and firepower strength of the HNLC?
As of date, from the knowledge that we have, the strength of the cadres are barely 20 to 30.
Weapons?
Weapons, we will not be able to say what kind of weapons they have over there, but as of here, I think they have very little weapons with them.
The operations will continue despite the government's initiative for talks.
No, these are not operations. We never initiated anything. If somebody commits a crime, whether it is HNLC or any other normal person, the law will take some course.
From Storgy alone, how many demands to him, to people?
No. There was no demand note served by him to the people, but from his phones, a lot of contact numbers was open and seen, and they were all demands to various people, business people.
Ma'am, is he the only one who is serving this demand notes, or others are also involved in serving demand notes?
No, as of now, that is the only information where he was also arrested. We are still continuing. Definitely investigation will still be continuing. We will not stop in that line. The peace talk will go one end, but if anybody commits a crime, then of course we have to take action against them.
What is the message to the people who donate to the HNLC?
What is that?
The people who donate,
I couldn't understand.
people who donate to the HNLC or HNLC, what is the action of the police?
They are also liable.
No, everybody is liable. You see, if you are donating or you are contributing or you whatever excuse you can make, you will still be liable because at the end of the day, that is against the law.
But what steps the police are taking to ensure that you instill confidence in people so that they will come forward and report such crimes to the police?
See, DG sir has already spoken the kind of work that the police have been doing. We will do all, our job is policing. And whatever information that comes to us, we act straight away. That itself should instill confidence in the people. From the time that the HNLC had started in Meghalaya, the police have worked, endlessly. We have sacrificed so many police lives in this fight. So that itself, and the way the eastern part of the state is as of today, I'm sure that is, you can see the amount of tourists that are coming. All this has changed the face of Meghalaya. So that is because the police have actually put in a lot of hard work, and we have also sacrificed police lives in this. That should instill enough confidence, I think, in all people.
Are you asking them,
Surrender doesn't right. They're already in a peace talk. So we are talking to them, and the ball is always open. We have never ever expressed any unwillingness. We have been always there to talk.
But this serving of demand notes, does it indicate that the HNLC is trying to strengthen its...
No, when it comes to demand notes, why are you only looking at HNLC? There are lots of kinds of people who does serve, whether that is HNLC demand note, whether these things, it's just crime, You cannot pinpoint on any particular organization.
But recently only the HNLC's demand note have come forward.
No, but
Have surfaced.
nobody has reported. That is the problem. We are only hearing over social media, but as of date, there's only one single report, and in this one single report, we have acted upon it. Whatever is floating in the social media, that's just social media. But whoever has supposedly got these demand notes have never reported to us. So then how will we act on it?
How many pending cases against the HNLC?
So far, 33.
all under UAP?
So Vivek,